dawn awakens, the garden breathes through softest rain its magic weaves.
In gentle air where springtime grows, the blossoms bow as silver flows. Each drop that lands, a tender grace, a fleeting kiss, a warm embrace. Beneath the rain, the world takes flight. Each breath of love brings new delight. A garden blooms, a sea of hue. The morning song feels bright and new.
The gentle breeze weaves through the trees, a whisper of hope in every leaf. The roses bloom in satin gowns, reflecting rain like crystal crowns. When raindrops fall, they hold our dreams and carry whispers on their streams. Each fragile bead, each fleeting sigh tells golden secrets passing by. Beneath the rain, the world takes flight. Each breath of love brings new delight. A garden blooms, a sea of hue. The morning song feels bright and new. And as the day begins to close, the flowers keep their timeless glow. Beneath the rain they softly sway, echoes of spring drift far away.